Hello again, people. Right, just got back from walking the dog, a nice 3-mile walk in the sunshine. It's beautiful today, and I always have eureka moments, and always think of ideas when I'm walking. So I either take a notepad or dictate something into my phone, and it occurred to me that, you know, one thing that bothers me is I more often than not I get questioned about, do I trade the 2B or do I trade the 3-candle reversal? It's important to clarify this, because I don't want confusion. I remember when I used to sit in a room with my mentor, and he'd go from one interesting thing to another interesting thing to another one, and as a novice it did used to create confusion. So I want to categorically draw a line under the fact that all we are trading is 3-candle reversals, and the RSI histo now is a massive part of what we do. I couldn't ever drop the 3-candle reversals, I don't think, because I've just got so used to the precision, the precise nature of the you know, how we see a close. Just even looking at this chart, I ought to clarify what I'm talking about, just in case you're new to this. So here we've got if I zoom in, here we have a high, a low, a lower high, a lower low. That's the penultimate candle, because it's the low before the ultimate low. And then here we have a huge what time frame we're on? A 30-minute time frame. A huge reversal candle. It's closed above. In fact, it's broken 2 levels of resistance, but critically it's closed above that level there. So without getting too much into the technical aspect of this, that's the 3-candle reversal. Then all you need to do is drop down a time frame and wait for the RSI to show you a bust and break. So in this instance we've got the bust up. That's the bust up from below the 0 line to above it, similar to what we can see here. Then we want to see a pullback, and then this is what I call the break and close. So if you can picture this scenario like this, over here, busted up with a 3-candle reversal over here on the higher time frame, it would have been. Then we wait for the pullback, then we wait for the break and close. We did get there was a potential few pips to be gained here, and the pullback you would have watched on the low time frame. But anyway, I digress. All I want to do with this video is assure you 110% all I am trading is 3-candles reversals. If I change the system, I will make it clear in big red letters across every video, new video, that something else has taken precedence. The 2B reversal was the genesis for the 3-candle reversal, and I've moved on. I trade the 3-candle reversal, but I refer to the 2B reversals very often in order to show how patterns form, how patterns copy themselves, how they repeat themselves, and so on and so forth. So, you know, I know I talk about these trend reversals with the 2 trend lines. Well, all they are is something to simplify finding the reversals. You know, if we drew, say for example, an ascending trend line there, and we can draw a descending trend line here, connecting candles that make a high, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. If you now drop down a time frame, you can see those. Well, you could notice anyway in this instance, and it wasn't chosen on purpose, we have a 3-candle reversal there. Stick the green on the low of the penultimate candle, as explained earlier in this video. That's the close below it. This is the pullback and the continuation. it was NFP day yesterday, so things move very fast. They sort of go slow before the news. Non-farm payrolls, that is, massive market mover for the American US dollar, and then it tends to be sideways up to the news. Then it will go bonkers, and believe me, it goes bonkers in both directions very, very often. So but I won't digress into that either. But you know, there's your ascending trend line. This is a low high high low high high, a candlestick trend. That's a candlestick trend down. All you have to connect is the bottoms and the tops, and then, you know, look for your swing trend. Look for, then you can see you've got the RSI bust, pull back, break and close, pull back, break and close. All these are good, solid, valid entries. This is a momentum indicator. It ties in with the 3-candle reversal so well, because obviously when you break a support level like you did in this 4-hour 3-candle reversal, low, high, high, low, high, 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 low, lower, high, lower, low, and close, that's the momentum move. And as you can see, this is a perfect reversal move here as well. And I've mentioned this many times in the videos. When you got this, well, we've got divergence in here. Sorry, I'm digressing again, but you can't unlearn this stuff. You can't unsee it. There's more momentum here than this fast, if you like, move here. And then look at this big move down with the 3-candle reversal, and what we like to see for a potential change of direction of price, a massive difference between the green and the red histo alert bar. This is an absolute screaming trend reversal to the downside. Look what happens when it does it here as well. Small change, pulled up, green candle, bang, massive change, and a 3-bar reversal. Same thing there. You know, you could just train yourself to trade this like a computer game. You know, here's another one. Pull up. You've even got, it's not divergence because this isn't a higher high, but you can see the lack of momentum, the lack of power of this move up. They've pushed it up, and it's a typical, you know, what's the word? Pump and dump. You know, they've pumped it up and then they've dumped it. And you know, you've even got the high green, tiny red bar scenario as well. So watch out for those things too, guys. But just to hammer home, we are trading 3-candle reversals. Whether I mention Mo lines, whether I mention support and resistance, whether I mention pivot lines, pivot daily pivots, and so on and so forth, round numbers. We are just trading the 3-candle reversals, and all of these different things are just in order to give you an education, if you like, into what, in my opinion, and a lot of other professional, expert professional, full-time traders, massively experienced retail traders, they all have done. You know, you've got cumulative 300-400 years worth of experience with some of the guys that I talk about. Not all these furus and booksellers and you know, trade room sellers. They're just complete twerps in my opinion. They don't teach you anything, yet they've got 50,000 followers and such like. It's hilarious, really. But you know, watch your price action, watch your screen time, and we are trading 3-candle reversals with this fantastic RSI histo. Sorry for the preach, guys, but I just wanted to make it clear to everyone that, and apologies if I do confuse you with adding different lines and stuff like that, but all we're doing is trading trend reversals. That's as simple as that, you know. And this thing here, this ascending and descending trend line, is just meant to simplify things for you. Do your own homework, draw a load on there, then look for the RSI, then look for the 3-candle reversal, or the other way round. Look for your 3-candle reversal, drop down a time frame, and you'll notice this phenomena. Okay, it's all to help you guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great Saturday.